it's a little bit empty because the people are for holidays from the Easter.
Cool, Rachel's laughing, as you can hear. So we just got to Athens, Greece. I love it. I love it already. Taxi driver, I can't even believe he got down these streets. They're that small. People had to move like tables and chairs for him to go through. Really good job. I'll show you around this little palace, I guess. I'm just going to show it in the background. So as you come in, there's the door, and then you come down these little steps, and then you've got this whole little sitting area. That's the outside, the front. This place is a really good price as well. €36 a night, something ridiculous like that for Athens, and we're literally not very far, maybe 5-10 minutes away from the Acropolis. A little kitchenette, a little cooker. There's a bathroom. I haven't explored this either yet, so very bright in here. Studio lighting. So that's where I'll shoot my videos from, with this lighting. So that's the bathroom. That's all you need. That's a shower. Big room. So that's the room behind me. Oh, I'm loving it. So I'm just walking upstairs now, guys. Oh my God. Sorry, this is the first time I'm seeing it. Well, this is the second story. This is where we're sleeping. I can't even get a good shot of it. Like, we had to sadly say goodbye to Italy, but we are happily saying hello to Greece. Thank you for joining us on the escape. It was a bit of a travel day, and we will see you somewhere around Greece. Escape with Tedman. After crashing out for the night, we woke up to this beautiful mural of the heart of Athens. So we woke up to the Acropolis. It's pretty nice. We decided to head out, and this is the front of our hotel, and you can see that the glass is mirrored now. There is a lot of graffiti and a lot of art around, but it is a safe area. Keep that in mind. It's just how Europe is, especially in Greece. We are just about to get some Greek lunch. It looks really, really nice. The prices are so cheap to eat out. Like, it's crazy. So we're not going to get any moussaka, but I just like saying that word. Probably going to get a souvlaki, and Rachel's going to get some lamb chops. So just a little update. The lunch wasn't very good. I feel like we got a little bit ripped off. It was like 35 Australian dollars to get literally a row of meat and some tomatoes. We ordered some fries. It was €6. So it was expensive still. It was like $10 for a row of chicken. So I don't know what happened with that. A little bit disappointed, but we're going to have we went grocery shopping. Very expensive here compared to Italy so far. It cost €17, which is quite expensive because we didn't get any meat or anything like that. So far, Greece is definitely more expensive. It might be this area where we are because there's lots of tourists walking by, and work out what we're doing tomorrow. We're going to go to the Acropolis, maybe the Temple of Zeus, and a few other things like that. The Unknown Soldier. So there's so much to do in Athens. So definitely enjoying it still. Just feels like we got a little bit ripped off. We have to be careful of our budget. So that's why we have to be a little bit, more stringent, I guess. Maybe we should research that a little bit better. But the things you learn. One of our favorite things about this accommodation was the mirrored glass. The amount of people that stopped and took selfies. Oh my God. So here we are at Monastiraki Square, which is one of the main squares that you'll probably find and explore in Athens. If you look up on the mountain right now, you'll see the Acropolis, which is where we're heading. We brought our tickets online, but you can definitely buy them here, and they cost about €20 just for the basic access. So we are at the Acropolis. It's on top of the mountain in Greece, in Athens. One of my famous friendly tips is don't spend too much coming up here, because the Acropolis ticket, the entry, will get you access to all this and more. So don't be conned into spending a lot of money on a private tour when they say all this is included, because it is all included anyway. As you can see, it's got beautiful views from the top of the Acropolis. You can see a lot of the sites, including the PANATHENAIC Stadium, which is the Olympic Stadium, and also Zeus's Temple and Hadrian's Arch, which is just that little archway in front. We decided not to visit Zeus's Temple just because you could see from the top that it had a lot of scaffolding around it and it might not be worth checking out. Totally recommend wearing good shoes because it is a bit steep and it's slippery. So we made our way down to the bottom of the Acropolis, and there is this hill called Areopagus Hill. It has a nice pretty little lookout,
Great place for some photos and even a little snack and relax.
We're just walking back down from the Acropolis in Athens, Greece. It was really, really good. It cost us $24.50 per ticket because we got to skip the line bus.
Just down one of the side streets from the square, there's this little nook, which is like an Alice in Wonderland themed restaurant. It gets super, super busy. Would be a great spot for the kids. You also get themed drinks and they're also in their outfits, so it's pretty cool.
That was the Acropolis, and now we are just going to sort out tomorrow. Honestly, this public holiday has really thrown a lot into the works because that's when we were going to go to Meteora tomorrow because they were going to have a strike on Monday, but now they're having the strike tomorrow. So definitely a Greek labyrinth to go through.
On the next day, we headed to the Monument of the Unknown Soldier. There was a protest going on, so that was actually quite interesting to see. Sorry about some of the swear words that probably happened that I don't know about. Normally there wouldn't be all this extra security and police, but because of the protest they obviously had to be a bit more careful. So this is the actual traditional outfit right here. He's doing his little traditional walk and ceremony thing that they do.
I'm not sure if you can hear the sirens, but it is May Day here today. So they're just having some protests. That's why we couldn't catch our train today. We were going to go to Meteora, but we're going to go there tomorrow. So we are just walking through the park today. This is the National Park. We are heading to the stadium. You'll see in a sec. And this was like one of the first stadiums like for the Olympic Games. Pretty cool. But yeah, if you can hear the sirens now, it's going by. Lots of people with riot shields were at the Unknown Soldiers tomb. And they started putting their gas masks on and we were like, okay, it's probably time to leave. So maybe things will get out of control. And it's just weird that we're like so peaceful in here and then there's a riot going on outside. Cool. So as you can see, we are at the stadium. This was the first modern Olympic Games ceremony stadium sort of thing.
So this is the PANATHENAIC Stadium. It's the only stadium in the world completely made of marble. And here are some facts on the screen that you can read. You can pause it if you like or rewind it.
So it holds 60,000 people. So there's the stadium behind us. We're about to go through the national park and we're going to get a gyros or a souvlaki.
The walk back to the main square was a lot more relaxed as the protesting had stopped by now. We went into a little church that was free and I had done my research on where to eat and this was the place to eat apparently. Check out the views. I highly, highly recommend this place. Make sure you go upstairs because it's a bit hidden and you get the best view. Look at that food, amazing. Thank you for joining me on the escape in Athens, Greece, and I'll see you on the next escape. And if you haven't already hit that subscribe button, hit it now and you can join on the future escapes. Bye for now.